Birthday presents, birthday cake, birthday candles, birthday tummy ache, birthday song, though it's a little late. I got no reason or great excuse for the tardiness of this birthday blues. I'm just old, but that's not news. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, though this birthday song sounded kind of blue. So happy birthday, many more. You'll always be the older sister I adore, sending kisses, good wishes, and hugs galore. So blow out the candles and make a wish, show, dance a happy dance and unwrap your gifts. Celebrate the past year that you've had, the next one's coming quick. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, may your every birthday wish come true.